Welcome, everyone. I'm Chef Tasty Grub. On this channel, I'll be sharing authentic Guyanese and Caribbean cuisine, along with some classic American comfort food recipes. Before we begin, I'd like to ask you all to leave a like on this video. And if you enjoy my content, please hit the subscribe button as it goes a long way in supporting my work. Today, we're cooking Guyanese-style pumpkin and chicken stew. In Guyanese culture, pumpkin isn't only for Halloween and the holidays. We enjoy this fruit, yes, pumpkin is a fruit, year-round. It is a decadent dish that captivates your taste buds with bold flavors and a hint of sweetness. Pumpkin and chicken stew is the perfect meal when you're in the mood for something hearty and healthy. For this recipe and all my recipes, I achieve the best results by starting with high-quality ingredients as shown here. Let's get started. Here we have a whole chicken that I've already cut up and washed. We'll then season with onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, adobo, granulated and tablet chicken bouillon, fresh thyme, salt, sugar, tomato paste, browning, and curry powder. We'll then mix all the ingredients into the chicken and place the pot onto the stovetop on high flame. And we'll add just enough water to coat approximately 3/4 of the chicken. Careful not to add too much water as the chicken releases its own water. Give it a quick stir. Then add the green onion and diced tomato. Then cover the pot with the lid and continue to cook on high flame for approximately 10 minutes. We'll then remove the lid and stir. As the liquid reduces in the pot, continue to stir frequently for approximately 10 minutes until the gravy is the consistency as shown here in the video. Now it's time to add the pumpkin to the pot. But before we do, let me show you all how to cut and peel it. This step should be completed before the chicken is done cooking, so as not to overcook the chicken. For this recipe, we're using about 3.5 pounds of pumpkin. We'll be using a disposable bag to put the peeled pumpkin seeds and skin inside. Now the skin is tough, so be very careful while cutting. And then use a cutting board to cut and peel the pumpkin. We'll slice the pumpkin into manageable pieces so that you can comfortably peel it. And once we're done peeling the pumpkin, we'll cut it into medium-sized chunks.
Took my pain, made it a melody. Wrote my story in the air, you see. Brick by brick, God build me free. Tough like the roots of an old fig tree. Rain keeps falling, but I won't drown. Reggae beats in my veins resound.
We'll then add the pumpkin to the chicken and mix it well. Place the lid onto the pot and let it cook on low to medium heat for about 15 minutes. We'll then remove the lid and stir. Continue to stir occasionally and add a little bit of water if the gravy is reducing too quickly. By now, the chicken is done cooking, so at this point, we're only cooking to soften the pumpkin. Be sure to check the pumpkin's tenderness with a fork. You'll want it to be the consistency demonstrated in this video. We'll then remove the pot from the stove. And that's it. The dish is done. Let's take a look at the finished result. Here is the pumpkin and chicken stew, served on a bed of white parboiled rice, along with some sweet, sweet fried plantain. So yummy. Thanks for cooking with me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe so you never miss what's coming next. And speaking of next, I'll be cooking up some dal and rice with crispy fried whiting. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. See you soon. Cheers, friends.